Hey, how's it going? Let's see. Hey, how's it going, Remy? What's everyone up to today? Let's see, what's my to-do? So, today I gotta work on... I want to finish the graphics, so Killfuck and the shotgun enemy armor. Okay. Trying to get Discord rich presence system integrated in your game. What is that? What is Discord's rich present? Is that what it says, like, so-and-so is currently playing X game kind of thing? How do you stick with a project for a while? Money. I like money. Also, I like making games. Okay, so today graphics. Oh, yeah, I did that yesterday. I can delete that since it's being backed up. So let's see. What do I want to look for? Let's see. Medical stuff, I guess. Let's see what. I don't think you can legally use that. Syringe, maybe. Nothing. Needle. Oh, it's just giving trees. Hey, what up, Herrick? Hey, what's up, Ego? You like seeing the stream? So, I'm not seeing anything for, like, a syringe. Let's see, what do... syringe? Is that the word I want? Yeah. Something like that, I think. Yeah, like that. Hypodermic needle. Can I find that? Hypodermic. Maybe on Pexels. What PC specs do I have? Ryzen 3700 and GeForce 2060. These are kind of boring. Maybe I should hand paint it. Where's the hypodermic needle in there? Making graphics. I need to make graphics for a drug you can take in the game. So I'm looking for cool pictures of drugs. Oh, so it is Discord Rich Presence is the saying what person is doing. How does that work? Is it just like an add-on or something? Where is it? Okay. This. This. I like this. But I kind of want it more like a flat color. That could work. Does that look like an injector though, or a withdrawer? I don't know which. Wow, they already have. I guess they gave the first vaccines to the stock photo takers. Ooh, I like that picture. Like this part here. That's cool. Let's see. Let's make a syringe thing. And I can't. I had thought of like some music to listen to for my game, but I can't remember what it was. Rip. Are you using Godot with C++ or a custom thing? Defibrillator would be a cool item. What would it be used for though? Let's see, get rid of that. Cylinder. So it's a low poly. I guess 3 would be fine. So it has to be pretty small. Doesn't really look like a syringe. I should probably use like a Sprite. 2 sprites and fill, yeah. Okay, so if I went here and then I went like down like that, that would probably look like so that was good. I liked that, right? And there was that one with the cover. And I liked, yeah, I like the cover design on it. So let's start with this. And this. Heavily modified version of UE4. Moves all the crazy lighting in RTX. PS1 version of Unreal. Nice. Triangular syringe. Could you imagine if you went in, they pull out a low poly syringe, you like go to the doctor? Oh, I do have, I transferred over my like super old MP3 player stuff, and I have video game music in here from some Flash game. Yeah, I can listen to this. Wow, I haven't listened to this in ages. Let's play that. Alright, so let's see. I want... Oh, what do I need here? Drag in the images. Wait. Here. And what was the other one? This one. Hello, Control T. There we go. See, what is it, layer? No, it's image. No, what is it, layer? I can't just, I guess I have to do that there. That's gonna, oh, it deleted that. All right, deleted the rest. More high-tech syringe. I don't know what it would look like though. I kind of like the normal tech, like modern tech mixed with the Biopunk stuff. Like if I go to on, see, like here, the spaceship is based on like actual, you know, like this is a picture of the ISS's solar panels, right? And like these textures, these two are based on New Horizons images. So it's like, I kind of want to, I like the theme of realistic stuff mixed with some fantastical elements, like this thing here. I really need to change these textures, they're kind of ugly. And then, so yeah, I like the normal looking tech in like a crazy world. It's like weird contrast. It gives cool contrast. That's why not all the guns look crazy in, you know, Biopunk. Okay, so let's say I select this texture. What does that say? Okay, I can erase that and I'll put some lettering on it. Let's start with this. And then I need a, can I create guidelines? How do I do that? Should I just, I could just use this as a guideline. That's easier. There. Oh, and then of course it goes behind when I do that. All right, that seems kind of lined up there. Okay, now I can do, and it blurred everything when I did that. It doesn't matter. It'll be fine when I change the, or maybe it won't. Maybe I should select and get rid of the blue first. There. Is there a way I could, can I make this, let's see, filter, adjust, color, hue, saturation, rally. Can I get rid of blue or something like that? Let's see. This is yellow, blue. Can I turn down, oh, wait. Can I like remove all blue from something? It's kind of loud. Hang on. Is there a way? What does that do? Oh, that removes all the color. I just want to remove all the blue channel. How do I do that? Wait. Krita, remove one color. Or color to alpha or something like that. Color to alpha filtered. Is that what I want? Normal syringe to inject health potions. I don't want health potions. I want to just keep so you heal with eating. I think that's a way more interesting way to do it. Apply an inverse composite over to, wait, what is this? Do I want that? I swear I've seen this art style before. I swear I know this guy. Or not like know him, but hang on, does he draw nudity? I can't show that on Twitch. Nope. I swear I've seen that artist before. That art style looks super familiar, and I swear it's a Krita artist. Now make it by Wonder Bread. What do you mean? Okay, well let's just see. Can I like key out a color or something? Krita, key out color. I just want to desaturate one color. I don't want to desaturate all of it. Where is filters, adjust, color balance, desaturate, defaults. Max. Yeah, I don't care about that. No. Why is this so complicated? Oh, and I should probably apply this to the whole reference image since it all has blue on it. Oh well, let's just move this for now. Let's see. Yeah. Whoops, did I? Yeah, that. I think that aligned it. There we go, that's good. Into color levels, adjust levels. I don't see anything for color here, it just shows levels. Hue saturation value adjustment. No, I don't think that's it. Color adjustment curves. Oh, channel blue, there we go. Oh, that just makes it yellow. That makes it more blue if I put it there. That makes it more yellow. Damn. I just want to key out that. Oh well. I could just trim the edges too. Actually, I think I need to make this tile anyways. Yeah, what am I thinking? This should be a tiling image. So let's, I guess I'll just grab this and was it control? How do I copy and paste to a new image? Can I do that? Oh yeah, remove the blue from the way, that makes sense. How do I copy to a new image? Maybe I should get the original and just work on that. It's higher definition. Okay, so get you. Can I trim to selection? And then let's go to wraparound view. There we go. Can I transform? There we go. Okay. And let's see. Line this up. No, that's not lined up. How do I get a guide? Let's look up. Create a guide. Or visual line guide or something. What's it called? Guideline. There we go. Grids and guides Docker. That is where? Where the hell is this? Window, workspace, Docker. How do I access the Docker things? Settings, Dockers. Here we are. Grids and guides. And then guides. Here we go. How do I create a guide? Show or hide the grid. Let's see. Show grid. Okay, that'll work. I'll just do that. And then I can just line it up. I think it's like, I think that's right. Is that right? So this one is, looks pretty even. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so get that, and then let's go and take all of this. Let's see. Damn, that needs to be a little wider, I think. Or, I guess it doesn't matter because I'm going to, let's see, just trim to that. Trim to image size. No, wait, trim to selection, there we go. Okay, so now I can go in and like clone this stuff. Oh, I could also... Alright, so let's start with the clone tool. Get rid of all of you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up. Why are you... Oh, am I over? Hang on. What's the shortcut for wraparound? I guess I got rid of it. Darn. Oh, I had the mirror tool on, that's why. Duh. Okay, so let's clear this out. For all the lettering. I'll put my own in later. Oops. That one. Damn, I got something wrong there. Let me think. I kind of do want to make one part darker, so maybe I should leave that. For now, I will. Yeah, I'll just put it like that. How are we gonna make this tile? Okay, view wraparound. Let's see. So I need to make that wrap. Kind of darken it. And here, and then lighten that. Straighten these out. And I can put in the red here. Oh, I know, I could just draw it up like this. Yeah, there we go. That'll look good. And then kind of straighten out the line work here. Yeah. And I'll have to touch up down here, so I guess this. Kind of blend the edge a bit. The edges. And then just bring it down. Yeah, that's working. Yeah, that's a good clone tool. I like how it stays locked here, unlike how GIMP does it. In GIMP it doesn't, it'll just kind of stay relative to one spot. Or if you let go, it goes, the clone spot goes back to the original. I don't need it. Whoa, what? Oh, accidentally opened the tool. Okay, so that looks good, and it kind of gives like a shaded bit right there, but now I need to straighten this out. So what if I go here? I could, see that part looks pretty straight, so I could just go up here, right? And then I could just adjust these. Yeah, there we go. Still a little off, but if I do like this, no wait, how do I want to do this? No, that'll put it lower, so I need this to be a little higher. No, it's a little off. Maybe I should just use the perspective warp tool or something. Let's do the top. There. Nice, and whoops, did I screw something up? That looks fine. That'll be fine when I lower the resolution. Actually, this will probably be fine when I lower the resolution too. I don't really need to worry too much about that, but move it up a little bit. Oh, that's easier. Yeah. There we go. Whoops. Grab that. Oops, straighten out the top. And I kind of want to make that a little lower. Nah. I think that'll be fine. When I lower the resolution, it should look fine. Let's kind of blur this though. Maybe. Can I lower the opacity? Hey, what's up, Golden Evolution? Yeah, I'm just making textures for an injector thing. That should do it. Oh, let's get that part too. Blur it out. There, okay. So now, that's tiling. Now I just need to make the bottom tile. We'll just focus on the middle part first and then kind of grab some of this. And grab it, bring it a little lower. Oops. Oh, I need to disable wraparound. View, get rid of wraparound mode. What? Why am I stuck? I can't go back. What did I just do? Okay, wait, how do I there we go, now I can go back, okay. That was weird. Have I had any luck editing alpha channels? Yeah, I mean, you just turn on alpha channels, right? When you go to layers, you just add alpha channel. No, wait, that's GIMP that has that problem. I don't know what you mean by editing alpha channels, sorry. Do you want it to tile? I want it to tile because it's going to go around a cylinder. Needs to repeat horizontally, yeah. So if I select all, then it should clamp to this area. Let's see. Oh crap, it still goes down. That's dumb. See, it'll still loop. I don't want it to... Can I make wraparound only apply to horizontal or something? I am the VTuber in the TV, yes. The face tracking is pretty bad though. Painting only in the alpha channel. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what you're trying to do. Oh, like, without affecting other channels. Couldn't you just, like, couldn't you just put a white, get like a white paintbrush and just set it to erase? And then erase it, and you'd erase everything. I guess you're not wanting to. Well, you could put a layer on top and make it, is it subtractive or something? Or just like a mask layer or something, and then paint on that. Oh, like several in a box? I don't think you're gonna find them that often or often enough for that to happen. Okay, kind of straighten this. Make it go down a bit. Instead of rounding. Yeah, that looks cool. Let's see, straighten. Whoops. There. So, should be aligned if I do that. Yeah. Whoops. There. I think that should work. How did the loot chest turn out? Pretty good, actually. Yeah, let me just flash over there real quick. Wait, where is it? Here it is. So you got the chest here, and then that's a save point inside of it. That's a separate model I made. But yeah, that's a loot chest. Pretty good, I think. I like how the shadows came out for this. That's a texture for that. This is just a rendered shadow. You can see it's not connected to the edges perfectly. Man, I saw some video for ray trace shadows. Yeah, that's the next thing, ray trace shadows on everything, and it looks so good. Can you imagine when we get ray traced everything, and then we don't have to use all these tricks? I feel like that's all that 3D graphics is now these days. Just getting more and more to where we don't need these tricks anymore for shadows and stuff. Yeah, that's the other. I need to make a pole for that to stand on. Oh, I should put that on my to-do. For save point, stand. New tricks replace the old tricks. Yeah, I want to make a video on why 3D graphics haven't changed much, because I've been seeing a lot of videos on those and they're all completely wrong. Let's see, back to Krita. Okay, so that's the texture for the first part. Wait, oh crap. How do I undo my rotation that I just set? Oh, there we go, that's it. Reset rotation. Oh, that's cool, they just have a button for that there. Okay, hopefully it blows up, yeah. Ray tracing is going to be the equalizer for indie devs. Why is that? Let's see, lettering. How do I... Oops, I want it to be on here, perhaps. say something like that. It'll be size 32. I cannot see this at all. And I can't rotate this. What the hell? I can't snap the rotation. And I can't see it in, what? What is this garbage? Okay, so if I say this, and I say, okay, put like a white, no wait, black, yes. 32, size 32, yes. Can I say save? Why is this not appearing? I click save, and I hit close, and then it does not show up here. You can't see it. What? Oh, it's because it's off the canvas, duh. Oh, and I would like to, there, snap it, there we go. That lettering needs to be bigger. That's better. Let's see, and maybe a different font. Which font? What would be a good font? This, the classic YouTuber font? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Bebis now. Or that looks more techy. Let's go with that. Drop that there, I guess. And let's put a layer on top for like a shadow or something. This will be a soft light layer. I think that's how I can do it. And open up this. If I put, yeah, there we go. I can kind of put that on there. Wait, I should probably go back to wraparound mode actually. And then I can kind of paint loosely in there. I only want it to affect this, actually. Oh wait, why am I doing this? This isn't right. I should have it go into a group layer, and then I drop in the letters and the shading layer, and then I can have it just apply to that. So, wow, that actually does not look good at all. I guess because it's getting like an alpha below it. So what if I put like a blank white layer, like something like that, and then I wanted to like paint over this. Still doesn't do what I want it to do. Okay, never mind. Forget that. Take those out. Get rid of that. You think geometry images stuff will be more of an equalizer? What do you mean, like taking pictures of rocks and then putting them in a program and it converts them to rocks or something? Like 3D rocks? That definitely could. You just have to be able to travel and go places that look cool, though. I think it would be more if you could just like go on Google Images and get a picture, and then just an AI will convert that to a nice 3D model. Then that would be like when it's really the perfect equalizer. Hey, what up, Flairbont? The game, have you seen this FPS game where you rip out people's organs and equip them? It's that one. Right now I'm just making textures and stuff. Like yesterday I made this chest and the save point here and this explosive barrel, and now I'm making a syringe that you will inject. View. Take off wraparound mode maybe, or I think actually if I made it like, I just want it to affect the text. Can I, maybe I need to duplicate this. Duplicate, wait. Duplicate. Create a blank. Merge down. And then hide that one. And then I can draw on it. Yeah, then I can draw on it. Or this. And that does absolutely nothing. I just kind of want to like fade out part of this. Or like brighten part of this. But that doesn't seem to want that. This is a soft light layer. What the hell? It only lightens everything but the text. Why does it not lighten anything else? Is it too dark? Oh, now it'll lighten it. Oh wait, yeah. If it's too black, then you can't lighten it. That's weird. Okay, let's just delete that and make a new one. Soft light. And then I can also like go in and select all these, right? Why doesn't it lock? Oh, am I in the wrong? There. So that's the wrong spot. So then I can select all these. How did I overcome programmer art? By making lots of art. I mean, I studied a lot of drawing and stuff before I got into game dev. There, new. Then I can just lighten this up. I think that looks pretty good. And then when I lower the resolution, it should look better. So this will kind of curve in a bit. Okay, let's see, photogrammetry, I mean this stuff. Oh, the link gets hidden. Is there a mod on who could show what that link is? Effectively removing the need for texture. Creation at the same time. You cannot change luminosity on pure black. Okay, so fading it out looks like that fixed it. So I think that's alright for that. It's just now I need a syringe texture, which I can get from perhaps this or this. Oh no, that one's hidden. So I could get this. I think that would be better. That would look more fitting for the style. Now I need to figure out if I can keyframe out. Where'd it go? Hang on. Oh, I was on the wrong layer. There, okay. Yeah, blue background. Unless anyone new in chat who stopped by knows how to like chroma key out blue or something. Okay, there we go. And I need to rotate it a bit like that. Oops, no, wait. It needs to be not that, but like warped. Whoa. Huh. There, that's what it needs. Right there. Yeah, there we go. Color to alpha, yeah, but... Oh, I could just grayscale that, because there's no other colors on this layer. Filter, color to alpha. Now let's just grayscale it. I didn't even think of that. Desaturate. Is that going to take away all the character there? And I need to resize canvas, make it like, maybe, I don't know, I'll just make it too large. And then I can cut off the top. Yeah, there. And then I'll just cut out the part that I want. Hello, how low is this? Goes to, there we go, okay. That looks kind of bland now. Filter color. Oh. Maximize channel, minimize channel, what? What does that do? Okay, let's just cut out this. Grab the edges, grab that, and then I can just drop it to there. And then invert selection, delete all that. There we go. I now have most of it. But now I need to do some tweaks. See, merge with layer below. There we go. I can go to this. Let's see. I gotta erase a bit. Oops. Drop the opacity. I mean, it's gonna be like way lower resolution. I don't know why I'm bothering. I just kind of want to get rid of some of that. Actually, that might mess it up because this is just going to be a see-through plane. So yeah, let's not mess with that. There. Okay. And then image trim to selection. Oh, no. Trim that to there. Yeah. Trim to selection. There we go. And then I can get rid of the background. And then, so that'll be like a transparent plane or something. Actually, I should probably just get rid of all of this top part here. What is the TV for? That's a VTuber setup. Adding sepia to aged plastic, that would be cool. I need a texture. Oh, hang on, I should leave that top part because I can add a texture for the top of the syringe too, which I'll need. And I'll need to darken the top, add an edge to it. Too little, whatever. Just cut off a bit more there. Wait, that didn't do it. There. Yeah, what's up, Red? Hey, Movisa. Should I make the VTuber stuff bigger? I was worried it would take up too much of the screen. How about I put it like that? Oh, thanks for the host, Red. There, is that better? If I do it like that? Okay, I'll leave it like that. Okay, so back to work here. So let's move this up. Can I just move this? Yeah, I can move the selected area. Covers half the screen with that. Wait, there we go. I think I don't know if there's a way to anchor one thing to another. It's kind of annoying. Why is it bottom right? I don't know. Why not bottom right? firstborn if we're the ones making it? What are you making? Wait, what? Why not top right? I don't know. Looks cool if the head's popping out. Okay. Sure. Let's see. Okay, so I need to make the top of this. How am I going to make the top? What's it going to look like? Oh, and where was the sepia filter? Enhance? No. Wouldn't it be under artistic or something? Halftone, index color, pixelize, posterize. What does that do? Oh, I see. How do I do a sepia tone? Filter G, what? Oh, okay, it's this. Click on colors. What? Sepia. There we go. That's a bit much. Can I tone it down? Is there a toned down version or something? Whoa. Huh. That's interesting. I mean, I could just copy. Oh, thanks for the 5 bits, Red. Clip a bit the organs on the edge. There. Said everyone is wrong on why computer graphics didn't improve for a long time. What's the real thing that held it back? Oh, you mean like in the past like 10 years why they haven't changed? That's what I was referring to. And I mean, they have changed. It's just most of the changes have been in making it easier for developers to make, you know, better looking games is the main thing. Like, we have real-time lighting instead of static lighting now. Or you don't have to, you know, use a light map to get bounce lighting. You can use, what? I said delete all of it. Why is it doing this stupid alias thing? How do I get rid of aliasing? Where's the aliasing? Oh, there we go. Still doesn't do it. Wanted to delete that edge pixel there. Oh wait, is it aliased? Yeah, why are the corners rounded? What the hell? The frick? Oh, I accidentally hit that, that's why. But it still won't delete that. Yeah, if I go down to the pixel level, it won't delete that. What the hell? Did I actually put a border? Ratio. Can I reset this? Vector selection, pick tool. Yeah, it's not working. Maybe. Oh, it's because I duplicated the layer. Duh, that's why. Okay. So this is. That's the layer I duplicated. Okay, so then this one, I go to filter, start this, go to sepia, apply that, okay, and then I can just tone it down a bunch, right? Yeah, and then I can merge that down. Now let's clear that. Give it up for day 3, yeah. Day 3 of daily. Didn't make the VTuber model that was made, or I did make it in a free software, I guess. I forget what it's called, VDroid or something. Okay, so there we go. That's the texture, that'll be floating texture. Now this, I need to, I guess, copy. And can I like make this in a radius or something? Where are you? There. So I need to make this kind of go in a circle or something. Or I could just kind of blur it out or some, I don't know how I want to do this. You made texture to the game using online ambient occlusion normal map generator. Oh, cool. Yeah, those tools have really improved a lot. I remember seeing people getting really excited talking about normal map generators back in like 2011 or 2013, I mean. Okay, so if I put this here, grab this tool, and then I could, whoops, drop it there, and move it to there. And then I could kind of just go in with a brush and like, let's see, erase this part. Yeah, and then I could go to this one, kind of erase down there. Yeah. And then grab next. Wait, no, that should be fine. Just kind of blur them and then merge them all together. Kind of blur them a bit. That'll give me kind of the nice top texture, I think, on there. Yeah, there we go. And then merge them all down. What is this texture? Oh, that's the lettering, right? I think. One of these is lettering. That one is. That's nothing, I can delete that. Okay, so now this one, I wanted to blur, where's the, like a smudge tool or something, right? Is there is a smudge tool somewhere. Smart patch, maybe? No. Wait, yeah. What is that? Whoa, cool. That's interesting, but I guess not what I'm really looking for. Weird. Okay. Smudge. Where's smudge? I guess I just have to find a brush for it. Maybe I could just search. Search for a smudging. These are all kind of smudging tools. Wet knife. It's one of these probably. Pixelize. Why is it so hard to look through brushes? I thought there was like a dedicated tool over on the left for it. Guess I forgot. Yeah, it looks just like me. Hey, love it. I'm making textures for a syringe right now. Oh, I'll have to make another one for the UI also. Yeah, I guess I could just take a picture of it for the UI one. Actually, I should probably extend this downwards, I think, so it looks more like a cap or something. Or I need to make a cap that kind of sticks out. This is actually just a blood vial. Wasn't originally a... Hey, that's what I need. It's like the syringe part. But I need it with the cap on it, which is what that is. So I guess I should do that. Yeah, I'll just paste the cap part on the end. That'll be cool. Can I give you a commercial game idea? Dungeon baller. A dungeon crawler where you have a ball. You play basketball. I think that's fine as it is. Maybe it isn't actually. Let's just look for the smudge tool. Create a smudge tool. This is the worst documentation. Where is it? Just tell me how to get there. Blender, they all have whitish icons. Is it that? Yeah, that's it, okay. No. That's not really giving me the effect that I want. I guess I'll just go with the clone tool. Kind of just smudge them together. Probably won't even show up when I derez it. That's fine. I'll just leave that. Okay, let's get yeah, if you want to use it, go ahead. I don't think I'll use it. I had an idea for that, but I don't really know what to do with it. Oh, thanks, Ast. I already got it. Probably should have checked the chat. Okay, hey, what's up for room, Rick? Always off by 1 pixel. There. And then I should darken that. I should like really darken that. Something, give it more of an edge. I could use the gradient tool. Yeah. Okay, so let's get gradient and shaped, yeah. Make a new layer, soft light. Yeah, that looks cool. And then this one. I will use the gradients and we'll use a linear one. There. Yeah, that looks good. So hopefully that'll look cool when I put it on an actual texture. Okay, now let's grab this last piece, or not the last piece, but the almost last piece. Put it there. Damn it, reset the rotation, there we go. And then I can move all of this up. No. Let's say, actually, I'll just trim this. Trim to selection, and then resize canvas, move it down, set it to be like 1800. And then grab the end of this one. Nope, I wasn't on the right layer. There we go. Okay. There you are. Yeah, that looks right. And then cut out all of it, pretty much. Most of it. There. Okay. Definitely could be scaled up more. Yeah, to like... Why is it locking? Oh, I guess if you use the transform tool, it locks weird. Okay, put this underneath that. There we go. Okay, so that'll just be like a sprite that sticks out. Hold shift while cutting out things, you make a straight line. I'm using the poly tool, which also gives a straight line. Oh, hold up a second. All right, there we go. Yeah, dude, I couldn't breathe. Like, I wasn't able to turn on my filter for like 2 days because there was so much dust, or my heater, because there's so much dust on the filter. I would like immediately start coughing. Like, I've been having respiratory problems for like a year here, and I just realized it was because of that. Like, since I moved into this apartment, it's been pretty crazy. But now I can turn on the heater again. Hopefully, we'll see. We'll see if it kills me. Actually, I think I'm gonna go turn on my heater right now. Hold on. All right, fingers crossed. Put more hours in Biopunk than Cyberpunk. I don't know. I thought Cyberpunk is overdone like 5 years ago. I don't know why everyone's making such a big deal about it. Okay, so this is kill fuck right here. And then if I go and let's just export the full version as a PNG. Let's see. Wait, when you're talking about Biopunk, are you talking about this game, or are you talking about some other game named Biopunk? I'm getting confused now. Scale this down. Let's see, the height to 128. And there. That, nah, it should be higher detail. To 256 maybe? Maybe I should change, I should be doing it off width. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like how that looks. Why does it give a black line there? That's weird. This game, okay, cool. Okay, well this is done. Now I can just make a 3D model for it. Maybe I should spread it out so it's not like such a weird texture. I don't know. Should I like, let's see. If I image size canvas, double the width, so that would be, it's 136 plus, that'd be 280 minus 8, that would be 272. There, okay. So now if I just move, hey, what's up, JX Gaming? Hot white. Strange. Is that, where is the seam? There, okay. That's the seam, and of course you can't zoom out because that would be too reasonable. You can't zoom out, oh yeah, see, look now, it doesn't work. Too reasonable to assume that you could zoom out while selecting things. Hello. Let me move this. Nope, I cannot select and move two things at once. It would appear. Oh wait, I selected the wrong thing, maybe that's why. Okay, that's done. So I'll just stick with this. There, and then I'll grab that. Oh, that needs to be, okay, hold up. Oh, that's why I gave that black line. Those weren't lined up. Damn it. Get that last pixel, there we go. There. Okay. And then let's get this. Wait, I can just, that's on its own layer, so I can just move that. I feel like I should move this to a different spot. Stop snapping. There we go. Okay. So if I just select and move this down or something. It's just out of the way. And then this. Have you seen that video of Redditor vlogs literal first date? It's pretty funny. I mean, it's obviously like a joke sketch video, but it's pretty good. Whoops. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that should work, and then I can just crop this. If I could actually see the damn thing. Okay, that's got it. And then Alt, remove that. There we go. Trim to selection. There we go. Yeah, it's Sir Pence's video. Hope your spider's doing okay. Oh, that wasn't mine. That was just a random spider that showed up in the place I was staying at. That was your first video. Prepare to animate just the injection all night. Oh man, I don't think I'm gonna animate the injecting. That would be too much work. It would look really cool though, but oh man. Oh no. Truly a substantial spider, yeah. A lot of people complained when they saw it. They're like, you need to put a trigger warning. I was like, that ruins the surprise though. Okay. This is gonna be half, maybe like 128. No, that's not cool. Very cool looking. It needs to be like 64. Yeah, that's better. Okay, export. Low res. And I should also export the high res. There we go. Okay, so now in Blender, how do I want to do this? Should I do it as a square or a triangle? Let's try it as a square. I can always change it. So let's say get a plane, rotate on the X by 90, 1 there, scale it in, GZ, and I'll need another one, whoops, that'll go down here. And then let's go to here, let's see, and get an image. Textures, low res, hell yeah. Okay, and then of course, material preview, get, let's see, this one and this. Whoops, let's see, mark these seams. Like, they can kill you, but if they don't kill you, it's cool. Spiders don't kill you. At least not in North America. They're all pretty chill here. Actually, I have no idea how tall I should make this. Let's see. So let's view, let's see, snap. Where is it? UV, snap to pixels, corner. There we go. There. Put this one to the middle-ish or something. I didn't think that through. Damn it. I can't tile it horizontally like that. Or can I? Wait. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, wait. I can't actually do that. It needs to be the other way. Otherwise it doesn't tile right. Okay, let's put this back. There. Okay. Export. I mean, I probably could. No, it would be way too much work. Okay, let's just scale it to this. And what was it supposed to be like? Was it 64 or was it 32? I think it was 32. Yeah, there we go. And then let's export that to the low res. There we go. All right, and now reopen it with this. There we go. So now, let's see, go there. You go here. And then I'll have to make a reference. Let's see. Oops, go back to object mode, add any reference image. No. Reference. Oh, I guess I have to go here. Yeah, that one. That's fine. And drop this down. Yeah, something like that. Hey, Angry Chicken Hunter. Project from view I've actually never used. Alright, so let's put you in wireframe maybe. And let's just delete that. And then put you there. And then I can just there. And then this should go somewhere in the middle, right? Or maybe not, I don't know. Okay, and then if I go back to material preview, I have this. I just need to balance it so it's at the core, whoa, yeah. So it's stretched out properly. Let's see. Let's see, it needs to be square. I need to make so these are square. That is, what's the setting so you can't clip with the camera like this? Oh, I don't want to select that or that. Okay, and now, wait. Oh, I screwed that up. I want to actually JK scale this down. There. And then I scale out these in here. There. Let's see. I don't think it's aligned right now. Needs to have, this needs to be at the halfway point. So like, there. Now it should be aligned, I think. How many, is that wide? So that's, 1 pixel over if I move it there. That is also 1 pixel over. That is not 1 pixel over. That is a different size. Hang on. That should be like that. Yeah. Okay, now they're all evenly sized. So now if let's see, that one goes to there. If I put this at that, it should be all the same, I think. Is it the halfway point? I can't tell if that's halfway, but let's see if it's... Looks kind of warped there, though. I just kind of want to slight. Okay. I think I should. Wait, how many times is it said? It just says it twice, right? Yeah. Should I subdivide this, make it larger or more detailed, or not? Flipping distance in view after, where is that? There. Thanks. Of course, that's not going to fit on there. Maybe I should do a square one. Maybe try making the red cap only the cone. Oh, you mean here? By the needle? I don't understand. But also, oh, I didn't make an end for the bottom part, but I could probably just reuse that. Oh, like make so this whole part is this. I could stretch up the texture a bit. That would actually probably look a lot cooler. Yeah, if this went much farther up. And let's see. Plane, rotate on the X by 90. Scale down. Is that? Yeah, that looks good. Is that? Yeah, that's right. So I'll just have to enable transparency on it, which I don't know how to do in Blender. Never figured out. Let's all look in engine. And this bottom part. Should be fine. And then I just do one more. Oops. Move it to there. And there, that mode. Select that. Oh, whoops, that is too high. So let's see, grab that, rotate 180, scale on the Z to make it more square. There. Okay, that's the full syringe experience. Yeah, that could work. I kind of want the texture to be right there though, so I can get a nice image to render or something. Or maybe the text should be right there. Yeah, I think that's fine. That should work in the game. Now I do need to take a picture of it for like UI purposes. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I think I'll do it in the editor, or in image editor. Oh, and I wanted to make the cap bigger, yeah, like suggested. These do look a little stretched out still though. Yeah, it does look a little better if I scale it like that. Nah. I think it'll be fine in game. I should stop overthinking it. No, the number's not a reference to anything. I just made it up. Wait, this is vertically warped, I think. Yeah, this needs to be down. I don't know how much. Is it that much? Is that the right proportions? Yeah, that looks about right. It's good enough. Alright, now let's edit this texture. So I want the brush hue. And then we'll paint it up. Wait, I need to change the resolution to, okay. So go to which layer? This one? Yeah. Here. I think it needs a straight line first off. And let's get, I could just copy this bottom part and move that up to there. Wait, is that true that the first KFC opened in 1952? That's funny. Oops, no. Go up here. There. Okay, now if I select here, I can get that. Has anyone actually played Cyberpunk, by the way? Like, I don't know anything about it. Like, I just hear weird stuff constantly on Twitter about it. It just seems like one of the big hyped up games that's like, I don't know, supposed to change gaming forever. That looks good. Should I make it go up any more? Might want to make... Is that gonna... Yeah, that's moving it. Oops, shading with it. Okay, and then this. Is this it? Yeah. Oh, streamers have gotten early keys. Your thing shrink the cone, not stretch the picture. Nah, I want to show off more of the blood stuff. I think it looks cooler. More variety to the texture that way. Otherwise, that red part. See, the red part's just like a super tiny piece. Otherwise, now it's like more of it. But like, that looks strange right there. Like, what if I did this? Nah, that just literally flips it. It's got that weird warp. How it does that. If I subdivided it, it would look better, I guess, but yeah, maybe that's part of the charm. Pretty sure the genre is going to die after the game. What, the cyberpunk genre or the FPS genre? No thanks, to be honest, to what? Just put lots of attention to detail, yeah. Yeah, cyberpunk. I mean, it has been so overdone, and it was perfected in the 90s with Matrix and whatchamacallit, Ghost in the Shell. Ghost in the Shell is the best cyberpunk ever made. Next is Biopunk, right? That's why I'm getting ahead of the curve here, right? Everyone's gonna play my game. Like, let's play Biopunk. Maybe I should adjust that. Alright, let's just put this in game. It's good. GLTF, Sport, and bring up 3D objects and my textures. I should really save this as a quick access. How do I save my pin current folder? There we go. MISC, and then anyone know if there's a mod you can get for Windows that'll auto save or not autosave, it'll let you open things in new tabs instead of new windows, like how you can do it in Linux with your folder, I mean. Oh, I need to delete this. Where did I put? Oh, did I literally never put in an asset for this? Oh wait, it's for pickups. Yeah, that's where it is. So it'll be under here. That, what? Did it crash? It's weird. And then a texture. Drop in, here's the texture. Oh wow, I made that way too tiny. Oh well, I can always just scale it up. Let's see. Yeah, just move it in like that. What do you mean by tabs? So like, look here. If I want to open this folder, I have to right-click, open in new window. On Linux, you can right-click, open a new window, or open a new tab, and it'll put it like on a tab right here, and then you can click between them. It's really nice and way more convenient to do it like that. Spatial albedo. This and parameters. Color mode disabled. There we go. And metallic, turn off specular. There we go. There we go. That's, oh, and use alpha scissor. Sweet. I should make this rigid body. Yeah, let's change this to be a rigid body. Did that change the collision? No, that's still on pickups layer. It should collide with the environment though. Do I have any? I do. Okay, let's see how it looks in the scene. Is Godot similar with the transforming commands? I mean, it has 3D control stuff. Oh no. Oh, classic Godot with its wonky collision that doesn't work. If you make the colliders too small, they just fall through the map. So if I want this to collide with the environment, it's got to be like this big. That's why all my weapons have massive hitboxes on them. Because they'll see these ones, see how they like land on the ground? They have like massive hitboxes, but okay, so that's the in scene, and I just auto pick it up when I walk on it. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's go, let me think. Just trying to imagine, how are people going to react like if they don't know anything about this game and then they go and they pick that up. It's like, what are they going to think? Alright, I have no idea how big I need to make this texture for, let's see, new. Let's start with 128. Oh wait, I know. I shall drag in the this. And let's just see if I delete that, will that break this? Can I still? There, okay, sweet. So now if can I just like do this or something? Whoa. No, that's strange. Hang on. Let's see, what are the dimensions on that? New document. This, delete you. Drag you down. And then trim the image to dots. Let's see, trim to selection. And then let's cut out like, I could just delete segments like that. Kind of a jank way of doing it. I think I messed up. Or maybe it's just not symmetrical. No, I'm sure that's fine. That is the actual name, yeah. Something called Clover that adds tabs. Let me look that up. Windows 10 Clover. Ah. Sweet. There's a thread from 2015 that says it doesn't work that well. But maybe it's... What? No. Look at this. It's the whole allow cookies thing you click on, and it's like, it just says always active, and I can't disable it. Allow all, confirm my choices. You don't have a choice. It's like, what choice? Okay. So here, these ones I can choose. Always active, like what? Like, I can't disable those. That's dumb. Okay, so that'll be the UI texture. Well, let's say image. Rotates to the left. There we go. So let's save this. Export UI. And then drag this in. And then let's see if I go to my player. Uneven pixels. Yeah, you won't be able to tell. No one will notice. Where is under weapon? Yeah, here we go. Weapon display. Texture. Rect. Let me put you on. Yeah, that's huge. It needs to be like. Oh, I need to flip it horizontally. I need to make so it's not an sRGB or whatever it is. disable sRGB, import, flip it horizontally, maybe half the size. Image, mirror vertically. Whoa, that. I didn't think of that. Maybe I should mirror it horizontally. Yeah, that should be fine, whatever. And then scale to half size, export. When you take it, it slows down time, but if you take too much, you won't be able to talk for a while. There. Yeah, I think that fits a little better. I think I need to make the panel apparent and then make this a child, this a child, and then this will be the parent. Move this like this. And yeah, that's fine. And then this, when we update that, we'll say /label. There we go. So now if I go here, so now you see it on the UI. Is that too big though? Because then it's like, if I pick up a gun, you got this big syringe there. I feel like maybe it should be smaller. Yeah, maybe I should half the size again. But this is what it does when you take it. Slows down time like that. I messed with every single one, jeez. Still needs audio, but yeah. All right, let's have the size on this again. Scale to 8 pixels tall. Can't see anything. It's got to be nearest neighbor, otherwise it'll suck. Barrels should explode other barrels. That's a bug I haven't fixed yet. That is too big, but is it the same size? What happens if I were to just like scale this down? Whoa, hey, no. Yeah, but why are you there? Okay. Now if I were to scale it, how does it look if I do this? Whoops, I didn't want to open that scene. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that does look better like at half size. So let's just get rid of that. And I'll just have the size in here, I guess. It looks like absolute garbage when I do that. Maybe I should just leave it scaled in here. In engine scaled. Let's see. Oh, hey Rasby. First time you see me on accident. Wait, what just happened? Something broke. Oh, there we go. Maybe yeah, I don't know that. I should try it scale down. You have a program which tells you when streamers are live. Why don't you just use Twitch notifications on? Oh, I'll have a good sleep then. Now let's try. Here we are. Alright, so half res. And then get rid of this. There we go. So now if I look at it. Glad you like the videos, dude. Alright, yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. You can't really make out the lettering though, which isn't as cool. You can see it in the distance here. Close. I feel like that should be lower res on these though. Almost looks too high res as you walk up to it. Made your own system as a challenge. Do you just dislike Twitch, or was it just for fun? Oops. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Sounds like an interesting project. Okay, so only took me 2 hours to make that. Yeet. Okay, next up, shock and enemy armor. So this guy has got plate on the front, shoulder plate, an oxygen tank, and another side plate thing. So armor plating, I could probably just make a blank square tile and apply that to armor pieces. So I do like how dark it is, so I'll probably go with like more of a black. And then for the oxygen tank, let's see. Let's look for oxygen tank. Okay. Whoa, that looks cool. Any small ones? Any small things? No. There aren't. That maybe. What is that? The search for textures. Alright, let's go back to pixels. See if I can find some new tank. Get some music. Do I have any cool music? Nah. Let's try this. I haven't listened to this in a while. Okay, is this Twitch friendly? Go away. Go away, pop up. Stop. Leave me alone. Okay, there we go. Like a medical tank. We get carpal tunnel scrolling through all these images. Bro, I just want like a meta. Or maybe if I look up oxygen. Oxygen cylinder. No, that's not anything interesting. If I look up like a scuba tank. Yeah, scuba tank, that's a good idea. Scuba tank. Yeah, that's exactly what I think when I think of scuba tank. Also that. I guess because of the word tank. Put that there. Yeah, that's exactly what I think when I think the word scuba and tank. Yeah, that's cool, but obviously the lighting's all wrong. This track isn't going anywhere. Oh, what? It kept my old music on. Hang on. That's not right. But, scuba cylinder. Is Among Us the best game ever made? I don't know. I don't really like social multiplayer games like that. I played Mafia. It's kind of similar. It's not really my thing. Any advice on creating music for games? Look up royalty-free music and use that. Or ask your friend who actually makes music. Ooh, firefighters, that's a good suggestion. Canister, yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. So that would be complicated to edit out. That might be doable. That definitely would be doable. How would I make that tile? That's pretty cool, actually. I like that design. Nope, canister isn't bringing anything up. Oh, on here, that means something else. But those are definitely a staple for our FPSs. I'll have to figure out a reason to have those in my game. They only have side views, though. Oh, they do have front views. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's like ready-made asset right there. So do I want to use that? Oh, that I can't use. There's too many water drops. Do I want to use like a bright yellow? I guess I should use the dark one. Alright, let's figure out how to use this. What? Okay, so that. Man, some shiny tech clothes. That's the true tech wear right there. Yeah, this is Super Brothers OST. Let's see. Or Sword and Sorcery, I think it's called. Pretty old indie game now. This is definitely not centered, but we'll just trim it down. That's like way off. What the hell? Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this and maybe a little more. There. Image, let's see. Trim to selection. And then I think I'll get rid of this lettering and stuff because unless I could like transform it a bit. Let's see, view, wraparound mode. What? Why is it putting white there? What? What? Oh, it's because it's on erase. That's why. Why did it default to erase? That was weird. Going up to the top, which I don't want. Actually, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna trim off a lot of that. Yep, up to here. Actually, I think that should probably spread out. Yeah, something like that. And then all the kids got run over by cars. Okay, let's go to the next track. Let's, maybe I could like blend that or something. Yeah, and I can have that cool like stamp effect. Kinda. What stage do I start sound design work? I mean, I don't know. Usually last. And I mean, I got a friend though who's doing sound effects and stuff for me. He's finished some of it. He's finished some music and stuff too. I just haven't implemented any of it. But yeah, usually sound design is like kind of the last thing I do in a game. Oh, that does look a bit curved. Oops. Yeah, there we go. And then let's get like something like that. Just kind of straighten that out. And maybe there. Okay, that's looking good. Can this game be a grappling hook? You pull you towards enemies. Maybe. I mean, it's already... I really have to, like, make more enemies and get a sense of what the gameplay is currently like before I start doing stuff like that, because, like, there's just not enough in the game for me to, like, decide what a... a good choice is for like gameplay right now. I never beat the game, so I have no idea what the context of that track is. I should probably try to beat that. I forgot I even had it. No, I torrented it. I never even bought it. I don't think I even own this game. I should buy it. Now that I actually have money. I was still like just a random kid. I think I might just get rid of that. So let's see, if I got this. That can help me smooth that out. Straighten that. Straighten that. Okay, kind of put random stuff all over that. Yeah. No, there's a weird jag there. There. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh yeah, gonna be recording the first episode of a new podcast soon. See, it kind of looks like a cigar. Trim to selection. Next couple of days, be recording a new podcast episode. Kind of the idea, I think, is that it's gonna be like game developers hanging out kind of podcast. Like I have a couple devs I know are going to be coming on as co-hosts, and it's going to kind of have like a hang out and talk about game development and have fun, because I feel like game dev podcasts that I've seen tend to be a little boring and dry, right? Instead of like, we're not going to talk about how to get a job in the industry and stuff, we're going to talk more about like, oh, you also watch Twitch streams to feel like you have a social life? So do I. You know, that kind of stuff. So if I go in here, let's see, we need a new file. And I'm going to add in a cylinder. There's a whole bunch of birds outside. Triangle fan, and this will be an oxygen tank. Yeah, 2. That's good. Wait. Z, go up to scale on the Z. Not on the Z. Yeah. Whoa, what? Scale. Oh, there we go. Shift Z. Yeah. Probably just going to be on YouTube. for starters, and then based on the response, you can put it on like other platforms. Let's see that. And then let's go and add in the texture. So UV editing. Let's make a new material. Oxygen tank. Wait, how can I... Is there a way I could like... Oh, I know what I could do. Okay. So, grab this. Okay. And then I could mark those, and then there. That's not aligned though. Anyone know a quick way to like I could like make all these be lined up straight up and down or something? Yeah, I didn't know people did podcasts on SoundCloud. How would I make so all these go straight? UV squares add-on. What's that? It does sound good though. What if I just did this? This. Right, and then I was like, put it out. No, wait, that wouldn't make sense. Put it like there, scale on the Y to there. And then I'm not getting all the texture. It doesn't really tile that well either. Project from view them all? I don't know how to do project from view. Never used it. That actually does. I kind of like the Quake vibe of it. Everything needs to be lower res, and I need to fix the tiling. Maybe. It kind of looks like it tiles alright like that. Yeah, let's see what happens if I lower the resolution on this. Scale to new size. Yeah, that looks pretty cool already, actually. I don't think I need to bother. Yeah, I'll just go with that. Oh, I'll have to figure out the hitbox for it. That'll be annoying. But, so I'll have to deactivate it when I don't want to use it. Let's let's say accessories. Is that how you spell accessories? Is it with two? That is how you spell it. Okay, it's two C's and two S's. So this is where I'll put all of the visual accessories we use. Oxygen tank, drop you in there. And low res, there we go. You too. Okay, and then this needs to get the scale reset. And I'll just drop in the tank on it. Okay, that's huge. Let's make local, scale it down a bunch, and then put a new spatial material, veto this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sounds like a really inconsistent texture size, but whatever. Part of the jank. Yeah, that looks cool. Now I need to do something for, should this be rotated like that? Yeah, I think that looks better. So now I need to do something for the armor plating. What do I want to do for the armor plating? It's got to look different from the tank. What would be made of armor? Obviously this is going to give medieval stuff if I look armor up. Nothing modern. What about military? I mean, I kind of want to mess with that. Like I like this aesthetic on this tank. I kind of want to mess with it and give more of a, like, use the metal kind of on these plates, but then it would blend in with this and it wouldn't stand out as an oxygen chain. Maybe use the same texture. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but like, then it would not distinguish it. It would, you know, just make us look like a chunk of metal if all these are just plates, right? It would blend in with those. It's got to be something different so they stand out. Perhaps. Unless I like just modified it a bunch. Maybe I only use these top parts. And then I outline with that. But I don't know. Maybe if I changed its color too. Yeah, Let me think. If I put like a new thing, so like I said, and I was like, put these on here. You could play it like that. And then I had that, and that. I like scale them down or something. Can I image snap? Wish that was default. Yeah, now they're the same size. Sweet. Oh, but there. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now if I were to scale this in a bit, maybe. That could maybe work. But it also, I think I would need to use some of this on there. So let's get all this. How do I paste to new image? Create a paste to new image. Paste to new document. Oh no. It's not giving me that option. I'll just create a 32 by 46. Did I select this wrong? Oh, there we go. And then select some of this. Put there. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna need to. There we go. Okay, so now I have that, but now I need to like blur it out a bit, I think. So if I duplicate, then I say filter, let's say blur. No, that blurs it like all over the place, it's crazy. What if I like blur it, and then I say delete all of this? Yeah, okay, so now, will that look okay? Let's see. Export, armor plate. And then let's open up. Wait, that's the wrong thing. I want a new one, armor plate. There. And then all of you. There. Why is it all stretched? Oh, because I wasn't using all of it, right? Yeah, there we go. So kind of want to fade it out a little less. This border is a bit strong. What? Why is that out there? Oh. They're not even if you rotate them. Okay. So, I've got this armor plate thing. Now, let's fix the border up a bit. There. Okay, so I want to tone down that. Yeah, tone down that a lot. Yeah, that looks a lot better, I think. And then I can go in here and like move it forward like that. Yeah. And I got a nice looking armor plate thing that can be applied to multiple spots, I think. But let's change the hue of it. See if that looks okay. So adjust HSV maybe to like, oh whoops, that's just changing that. Okay. There we go. Okay, so armor plate. Adjust HSV. Okay, that just gives me Halo Covenant. Okay, let's see, adjust. Change the saturation. Oh, should I do that for the oxygen tank, I wonder? Yeah, I'll kind of drop the saturation a bit on this, like this. Let's see what that does. Alright. Oh yeah, it looks kind of washed out. Never mind. Or it is kind of washed out, but what if I contrast? Whoa, that is intense. Let's duplicate and then auto contrast and then drop that. Nah. Looks dumb. Okay, adjust levels. Peaceful stream to watch until Cyberpunk releases. I was confused because I've been seeing streamers playing it, but yeah, it's not out. Let's try this. Include selected objects, armor plate. If I scale it out, will that look weird if I do that? I think it needs to be more curved more sharply. Like that. And it needs to be a little thicker. Yeah. Come on, you just delete. When you put a mesh over there, it deletes the material it put to override. Like, that's stupid. Alright, let's save that. It doesn't happen again. Characters, accessories, armor plate. Armor plate. I guess I'll just put that up a bit. Yeah, that should be fine. And then this under here. Change this to be spatial. I think it is a bit dark. I might need to. Can you import the bones from Blender as nodes in Godot through PCLF? If you import a rigged model, it'll have a skeleton under it. See right here, it's got the skeleton there. It's not like the easiest to work with this system though. Okay, so now shoulder pad. Shall change your scale. shoulder plate. Armor plate on you. Actually, just change these. Alright, there we go. That was cool. Let's see how it looks in game. I think that works. It's same enemy except it uses a shotgun, basically. This is going to be kind of like the special type. I don't know, I might give him more. Oh, I need to. Did I attach something wrong? I think I need to adjust how that oxygen tank is attached. Why don't I change the base model? Because not all enemies... See, I'm having multiple of these enemies that... see, this one, it's got the armor plates and everything. Why is that? Oh, it should be attached to the spine, shouldn't it? I just don't have a bone attachment for that. See, that one's right. That one isn't. So, like, if I... Okay, so there's that one. He has a shotgun. These ones don't, and they don't have the armor platings. That's why I put them as attachments, so that way in code I can activate or deactivate them, as opposed to having it done in like Blender, because that's a pain, and I can't be bothered to figure it out right now. I didn't want to like re-import meshes and deal with all that absolute chore and headache. Okay. Have I encountered issues with kinematic body sliding? Yes. I spent ages figuring out how to fix it. Can't remember if I ever fixed it though. I should make them have more health, I just haven't added code for that. I could though. Special bandit health equals, I don't know, 50 or something. And then dot max health equals that. And let's see what. And I will say this. Dot heal to max. Let's see. So yeah, I'll have a couple extra shots. Sorry you left randomly, you just got dumped. Wow, that sucks, man. I'm sorry to hear that. I got dumped a few months ago. I didn't cover that in my Udemy course because I didn't know about it until then. But here is the code. Wasn't moving fast enough and you get stuck trying to move up or onto or off a slope. Yeah, let's see. Where is my movement code? It's under character mover. More time for dev. That is true. I've had more time for dev since I definitely work a lot more now. Alright, here's my movement code. Velocity, I have my acceleration, movement vector, then I apply some drag, and then I have a gravity vector. Move and slide with snap. I forget what this does. Whatever that thing is set to true. Oh, and then this is to make sure that, notice how I set the velocity to this, so that'll get shortened if I run into a wall, then it'll update my velocity. And then, but I also make sure that if we're not grounded, that my Y velocity doesn't increase. Otherwise, you can run up super steep slopes. I think that was all. If grounded, 4 normal equals up. If our current move vector equals 0. Oh yeah, you have to do this. You have to set your Y velocity really low. Otherwise, you'll have weird issues where you slide down. I don't know. I did a bunch of weird stuff here that I think fixed it. So I wouldn't slide down slopes. Probably want to get back. Ooh, that's rough stuff. Oh, hang on. I think somebody's about to call me. I need to tell them that I'm in the middle of a stream. Where's my phone? Where is my phone? What the hell? Oh, there it is. Let's see. There we go. Okay. You're more burnt out than your breakfast when you try to cook. You need to cook more. Hey Benson, glad you like the avatar. Maybe I should change my profile picture to this. Oh hey, what's up Vemlark? Just making 3D assets. Let's see. What do I need to do now? I just finished something big, so I'm like... So I made like an oxygen tank for this guy, and then these armor plates, which I think need to be adjusted. They're a bit dark. And then I also made... This probably needs to be adjusted too. These drugs you find, they're a bit too high res. I think they need to be lower. Oops. And yeah, let's see. And then everyone in chat is talking about breakups right now. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh right, die at the same time, okay. So mark that off the to-do. And then mark off that on the to-do. I'm just going to make like a little metal pole. And then just bug fixes, I think. Damn, is that really it? Let's see, yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, it's just bug fixes after that, I think. And level design. And one, like, just code stuff, pretty much. Yeah, what have you been working on, Vim? Yeah, let's make that metal piece thing. Oh, and actually I should undarken this. Yeah, let's just undarken that, because that was too... Oh, okay, that should be updated automatically, right? Yeah, it looks a lot better with it brighter like that. So it does blend in a little, I think, with the oxygen tank. But it does look like they're made out of the same material, which is kind of cool. Alright. For the save point, I guess I could open up the earlier file. Save point, and How tall does it need to be? That's very tall. So yeah, I'll just make it taller than it needs to be. And then the real question is, do I put the origin at the bottom or the center? I guess I'll leave it at the center. Oh yeah, true is for stop on slope. It didn't entirely fix all my issues though, because there's like weird stuff where I'd keep sliding in other situations. I can't remember because it was one of the earlier things I did that I fixed. Okay, let's see. Tool, and then just making a graphics for a pole that the save point goes on. Let's see, and then made the armor on this bandit guy, and also some other stuff. But yeah, welcome game player. So let's see. So I'll hide that. And then what do I want to use for this texture? Do I want to use... I already have like a nice metal texture. I could just use that. Let's go with this, yeah. So grab... I don't know what to grab. I guess I could grab... I can make this tile vertically. Yeah, that would be good. And yet again, Krita's inability to paste to a new image annoys me. 9198. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now let's see, wraparound mode. Get back to here, and then let's bring up the clone chip. Why is that looking weird? What? That's... Why is that selecting the wrong thing? View wraparound mode. The heck? Okay. So I do that, it selects the right thing. Yeah, I think. Give me this. That's right, okay. View wraparound. Yeah, okay, now it seems like it's working, right? No, that's... Oh, what? What? It's like selecting from this oxygen tank thing. That's so weird. Okay. Let's see. I guess, whoops, I didn't want that. Merge you down, and then will it work then? Is it gonna... No, it's still getting textures from a different image. Why is it doing that? That's so weird. Yeah. It's getting images from a different image? What? Oh yeah, Vimlark, you got a team now? What's the plan with that? I guess I'll just use the offset. This is dumb. Offset image, the Y, not the X. There. Why is this selecting the wrong stuff? This is so dumb. Okay, now if I switch back to... I think the clone tool is kind of bugged out. Not a very good, reliable thing. Okay, let's see. Let's just reload that, see if it works. Okay. Okay, now it's working. That was weird. Buggy ass software. Open source, am I right? Oh, thanks. Let's see. Alright, so that's giving me the... Let's see how that looks. Let's say just metal tiling. Okay, so add in new material. Let's see, metal tiling. And bring in the image. There. Whoops. I want to mark that seam. And then that. Rotate it so it is upright. Oh, and make it closest. There we go. So now it's tiling all the way around. But is it... Doesn't look cool though. Oh, it's that shadow. That's... Yeah, that looks... Wait. Yeah, that looks cool, I think. And... There. Okay, so now... I think I just need to lower the resolution. I should be good. And I'll put like, yeah, that. If that, yeah, those are the same size, so that should be fine. I just leave it like that. Now I'll just scale this down. That, right? That seemed like, oh, that didn't, yeah, that's the one I wanted. Oh, that looks too low res. Next to this, it looks too low. Okay, so, let's see, scale to maybe 32. And then export that out. Just working on monkeys with gun war. Nice. Just don't know enough programming to move forward. Oh yeah, because you didn't, I thought you were a software person, but you're not. You said on your stream you're more, you did art and stuff, and for some reason I imagined you were a software developer, like every other game developer. That's cool, you get to be a designer and stuff, and man, I just like, working with people makes things so much easier. You can just have someone else take over your weak points and like focus on your strong points. It's awesome. It looks too dirt-like. I need to make it look more metallic. Maybe if I filter adjust. Auto contrast to make it look brighter. Oh, actually that looks cool. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. All right, export, include selected objects, pull. The idea I suggested was a game called Dungeon Baller, where you play basketball to kill monsters in a dungeon. Okay, so let's see. We had environment, misc, save point, and let's drag in the pull. This isn't. Whoops. No, go back. Drag that in. Yeah, I was thinking of 2D, and like you throw basketballs at enemies and it bounces off, and then you have to like dribble it on enemies to kill them. Let's see, and then put the graphics on. There. And tone that down. And a collision shape, which is that much. How much is that? 0.02. There we go. Nice. Okay, and then metal pull. Where the heck? Environment, misc, save point. Save it to there. There we go. Okay, so now I can go to test world here. And let's drop in this. There, nice, okay. So now I have that middle pole there. Maybe I should rotate it so it faces the lighting. Yeah, go ahead, use a Kenny Art Pack. Okay, and then I guess I should do this in the actual game world. Where's that save point? The first one. Drop in metal pole. Yeah, sweet. Okay. All right, so that crosses that off. Now, dang, 3 hours and 15 minutes to make a few graphic assets. Whew. Okay. Actually, that's not bad if I think about it. Like, if I can make one new character a day graphics, then that's pretty good. Someone used Dungeon Baller. Let me see. Dungeon Crawler Baller. Dungeon Baller Trello. I'm not seeing a game. Not seeing a game here. Seeing an album. Yeah, the Trello, but it's not done. I mean, you can't see any game here. Who cares? Who cares if some random person made a Trello? That's nothing. Yeah, look, they last changed it in March. We're not working on this. Next track. If you get sued, you're not gonna get sued. Game developers don't have any money. All right, what do I want to work on next? Or do I want to go take a break? Maybe I should get off now. I've been going for 3 hours and 15 minutes, and I did everything I wanted to do today. So I think I'm good in terms of that. Yeah, this stuff. Tomorrow, I'll work on fixing lots of bugs and implementing the music manager and these little tiny little features everywhere. Yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Yep, alright, that's it for me for today. Let's go find someone to raid, and then I shall... Let's see, science and tech. How do I get to science and tech? Tom Randall is on. But he already has tons of viewers. I feel like I should raid somebody who has no viewers, but he is designing a game. What do you think? I think we raided Jitspo yesterday. Alright, we'll raid Randall. Wait, what the hell? This is... How do I get to his current stream? Here we go. Paid real customers. They paid... yeah, that's right, guys. We paid real customers to talk about our stuff. /raid. Let's wait for this ad. No one wants to watch an ad. Yeah, I know, right? Twitch broke adblock, so annoying. Alright, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time as usual. Shall be good. Shall be fun. See ya.